Hello guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell and today I'm installing a Kap Industries fire extinguisher bracket into a Nissan Patrol Y62. That's this bracket here. What this bracket comes with is the necessary hardware to install one of your fire extinguishers into the vehicle. However, you can also purchase one of our fire extinguishers, which I'll be installing today. This one is a twin latch one. These are what we sell on our website at Kap Industries. Come along and I'll show you how we do it. To install this fire extinguisher bracket, you need a couple of tools. That's a 16mm socket and a ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners that you can use for those M5 nuts and bolts. To install, it's very easy. You take the two little plastic seat covers off the bolts just by removing them with your hands here and popping them off sideways. They just sort of pop off. That gives you access to those 16mm bolts. Get your socket and remove them. After you've removed those seat bolts, lift the seat up and slip the bracket under the feet of the chair. Then, with the holes lined up, put the bolts back in and screw them down by hand first, then tighten them up with the ratchet. Then unclip the extinguisher cage and using the hardware supplied, install the cage onto the bracket. Then tighten them up with your 8mm spanners. Once you've installed that and tightened up the extinguisher brackets, slip your extinguisher in. Then do up the clips. Finally, just install those little plastic covers back on. There you go guys, a really safe and effective way of installing a fire extinguisher into your vehicle.